We're swapping out the skid shoes on the 2-stage Eagle snowblower. Have it on the side already. You can see the old one's pretty beat up. The newer version that just came out definitely has more beefiness to it. Material's a little bit stiffer too, so hopefully it'll last a little bit longer. I'm gonna take the two bolts off and swap it out and level it in. Got the new scraper bar, comes with this set of new screws, so we can swap out all the rusted ones over here. Definitely see the difference between the old and the new scraper bar. Old one put in a good amount of use for about 3 years, so definitely needs a replacement. Alright, got the scraper bar replaced. All the screws are in and ready to lift it up. The new scraper bar installed. I'm just leveling it out with some paint sticks. Inflate the tires and level out the skid shoes here. New ones look a lot better, definitely. The tire max is about 20. I'm gonna do 18 psi. Quite underinflated, it seems, from the season, so we'll fill it up and level it out on both sides. New skid pads installed for the Ego 24-inch dual stage. The old scraper bar that's out too. We're ready to take on the next season.